It is very important for us to remember that there are two micronutrients and more, but two special, which are unique: boron and zinc. We do see many places with a boron deficiency, and in fact, our soils tend to be depleted in boron. We do see many places like that, and boron deficiency as the main cause. But I don't want people to think that just boron and maybe boron and manganese will solve that problem only. I would like you to know the bigger picture, that nutrition in general, done properly, is essential to get the genetic capacity of the tree, which is 200 to 300 nuts per year. That is why we are focusing on general good nutrition, not just boron and zinc.